So, I might have scored a fucking ranch hand front bumper for 35 bucks. I think the scrap price is higher than that. Guys, I've got a couple tips for you. The couple things to know when you're scrapping. One, if you're not sure if your load is secure, or if you have secured it the best you can, throw another tie down on it just to be damn sure. And then, if that still doesn't work, you'll know your shit fell off. Somebody drives up next to you yelling and screaming. That's a good way to tell. Get a magnet, and if it looks like steel, but yeah, if it looks like steel but a magnet doesn't, attract to it, it is not steel and it is worth more than steel. Ah, that sounds so bad. That chain is going to be hot by the time I get to where I'm going. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but I definitely can. Ah. That's gonna piss me off. Whenever you're backing a trailer, obviously, you're gonna need to be careful with it. And if you own an old Ford like I do, old 18-foot Ford F-250 diesel, obviously, these things turning radiuses are shit. So you'll probably have to pull out and fucking make a couple tries at it before you get it just right. And keep in mind, just right to some people is going to be different than others. This, just right to me. Not where the truck's sitting, more where the trailer is.